No, hey, no.
Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'll be unboxing a very special item. I finally got my hands on the Dyson Airwrap Multi-Styler. I've been eyeing this product for quite some while now, and I'm so happy that I waited because Dyson has recently launched the next generation Dyson Airwrap Multi-Styler in India. ये आज ही सुबह मुझे डिलीवर हुआ है. मैंने खुद ने भी यूज करके ट्राई करके नहीं देखा है. I wanted this to be a first reveal along with you guys, unboxing it, trying it out for the first time, and also checking whether this works on my thick curly hair or not. But first, let's start the unboxing. Now, what is more exciting than the Dyson Airwrap? The next generation Dyson Airwrap Multi-Styler. Re-engineered for faster and easier styling without extreme heat. This is the new color, copper nickel, in the Dyson Airwrap Multi-Styler. It looks so amazing and chic. They have also added the Coanda smoothing dryer to the range, which is a new multifunctional attachment that replaces our pre-styling dryer. It features new and re-engineered attachments powered by enhanced Coanda airflow attachments. Dyson's best performing and most efficient air wrap yet. Isn't that amazing? Dyson has re-engineered nearly all the Dyson Airwrap attachments to harness enhanced Coanda airflow for more control when styling. Chalo, unboxing ho gaya. We have seen all the attachment that it comes with. Now the main test begins. Let's try it out whether it works on my thick curly hair or not. Just come out of the shower. My hair is freshly washed, shampooed and conditioned. Next, I'm going to use a leave-in cream at the bottom of my hair. You can use any leave-in conditioner that you like. Do not apply any leave-in conditioner or any products on the roots. You do not want to weigh down your roots. आपको अच्छा voluminous effect चाहिए तो make sure वहाँ पर आप कुछ ना लगाए. Next, I'm going to use a heat protector. Now you can use any heat protector that you like, but make sure that you use one and distribute it nicely throughout the hair. The first attachment I'm going to use is the Coanda smoothing dryer. Now this is such a great multifunctional attachment. You can dry, smooth and hide flyaways all using just one attachment. Isn't it amazing? You can switch between two modes. I'll show you how to use it. First, I'll just attach it on my Dyson Airwrap. Now, as soon as you put the attachment, it gets locked over here. And if you just press the lever down, it unlocks. It's as simple as that. This is the smoothing dryer. If you want to use the dryer part of it, you can select this mode. Or if you want to switch, just use the cool tip and twist it. Did you hear that click sound? That means it's fixed right now. You can also follow the arrow and align it properly. This part you can use to hide the flyaways. We will test that aage jaake. But first, let's use the dryer side. This is the start stop button. Push it one time to start the Dyson Airwrap. You can push it one more time to start the cool shot. The blue dot indicates the cool shot. The fan indicates the airflow. You can set it to low, medium or high according to your preference. And on the other side, you can set the heat setting to low, medium and high according to your preference. Right now, I'm going to use the dryer mode and dry my hair. It's dripping wet right now. I want to make sure it's damp. And setting wise, I'm going to use the highest airflow and medium heat. Okay, my hair is like 80% dry. It's still damp, but that's exactly what I want. Few things that I've noticed right off the bat is Dyson Airwrap Multi-Styler is super lightweight. The wand especially. I was expecting it to be heavier, but it's not. It's super lightweight, which is amazing. Your hand is not gonna pain. Second thing, it dried my hair without making it super frizzy. Third thing is the airflow and the heat is not super harsh at all. It will not burn or fry your hair. And this took me less than 5 minutes to go from dripping wet hair to damp hair. The next attachment I'm going to use is soft and firm bristle brush. These attachments are great to dry your hair and straighten it out a little bit, especially near the roots, which I definitely need. The only difference between these two is this one has soft bristles and this is great for short, thin hair. And this one has a little bit firm bristle and this is great for curly, coarse hair like mine. So I'm going to use this one. For this attachment, I'm going to use high heat and high airflow. Enhanced Coanda airflow attracts and aligns hair with increased control for a straightened hairstyle. It propels air along hair strands for a smoother, straighter result. This is crazy easy and quick, man. Like, what the hell? It took me less than a minute to do my whole hair. Obviously, I did it roughly, but I don't want to do or get perfectly straight hair. I'm gonna air wrap it any which ways, right? I quickly changed the attachment to this round volumizing brush. I feel the earlier air wrap also has the same exact attachment. This is great to create volume and shape to your hair. I want to concentrate this on the roots of my hair before I use the air wrap ताकि वो वाले बाल voluminous हो और straight हो. This also is great to create tension and get it as straight as possible. So let's try this out. Again, for this I'm going to use a max heat and max airflow. If I wanted to wear my hair straight, I would just add some serum at the ends and call it a day, because it's looking pretty good as is. Now the next attachment I'm going to use are air wrap barrels. Now the previous air wrap had two barrels, one for each direction. With the new Dyson Airwrap Multi-Styler, you can use just one attachment and just switch the airflow to whichever direction you want as per your style. You save up on so much of time and ease and hassle free. You don't have to switch the barrel for each and every direction. So if you want to do clockwise, anti-clockwise, you do not need to change the barrel. Just use the same one and switch the airflow to that direction. These barrels come in 30 mm, 40 mm, 30 mm long and 40 mm long, जो मेरे पास नहीं है, but it is available. I'm gonna try 40 mm barrel today to get more voluminous loose curls. Coanda airflow attracts and self-wraps hair around the barrel for natural and voluminous curls. Set the style with a cold shot for 5 to 10 seconds before slowly releasing the curls. Twist the cool tip on the barrel to change the direction of the airflow and repeat on the next hair section to create a more natural look. Repeat around the head, alternating the airflow direction each time. While I'm styling my hair, let me tell you few features and few points that I absolutely love about the new Dyson Airwrap Multi-Styler. The first thing I love is there is no extreme heat. Its intelligent heat control measures air temperature over 40 times a second to prevent extreme heat temperature, which is amazing because you're not gonna burn your hair over the years. I love the way it attracts and wraps the hair for you. The Coanda effect attracts hair to the barrel, then wraps it for you. You do not need to manually twist to curl your hair. It does not only dry your hair, but it also styles it simultaneously. It is engineered to style your hair from damp. It combines powerful airflow with controlled heat to dry your hair as it styles. At first, I thought Dyson Airwrap Multi-Styler works great on wavy to straight hair, not really on curly, coily hair. But I was so wrong. They have provided a range of styling attachment engineered for different types of hair. So if you have straight hair, wavy hair, curly or coily hair, do not worry. Dyson has got you covered. The curls or waves created using the Dyson Airwrap Multi-Styler are so voluminous, you're gonna fall in love, and it just uses air. Another thing I've noticed about the new Dyson Airwrap Multi-Styler is there is very less flyaways. And even if you have a little bit of flyaway, you can easily smooth it out using the smoothing mode in the Coanda smoothing dryer. Okay, all my hair is curled nicely. Next, I'm gonna put a serum. You can use any serum that you like and lightly comb through the curls, so it looks more natural and separated. Okay, this is the final result. I'm speechless. Do you see The volume, the curls are so separated and just giving a beautiful voluminous curl look, that's exactly what I wanted. My hair is so shiny and just bouncy and beautiful and curly. I love it. I have absolutely no flyaways, so I don't know whether I should try it out or not. You know what? Let's try it out. Switched it to smoothing mode. Okay, I'll try over here. I'm just trying to find any flyaways if I have any, but I literally have no flyaways. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to get yourself Dyson Airwrap Multi-Styler, then you can easily get them at Dyson demo stores or Dyson.in at 45,900 rupees. And if you already own a Dyson Airwrap, then don't worry about it. The new attachments are fully compatible with the existing machine and you can upgrade the whole set for 14,900 rupees. And with that said, don't forget to like this video, share, comment down below what video do you want me to film next, and the comment shout out goes to Manasa Reddy. Thank you so much for your comment. It really means a lot, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to flow the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.